How to georeference a Google Earth imagery with Muk3D. We'll see two options, one to georeference a UTM coordinate system grid, the other one that works with any grid. First option, how to georeference a UTM coordinates grid. First step in Google Earth, make sure that you're using UTM. Then you will need to find some key features that you can match in between your grid and your imagery. In my case, I will use two peaks. I've already set them up. Once you create your markers inside of Google Earth, you can actually add the actual easting and northing. Then make sure to remove the terrain, align the north to the top and make your image flat. You can use Shift up to make sure that you are looking down. Now make sure you set up the extent correctly of what you want to cover, and we will save two images. The first image will be saved with the markers on it, and the second image will be the clean image. So the first one we'll call it like a reference imagery, and the second one we will just call it a clean image. Now we can go back to Muk3D. We can start from a clean slate. We don't need to have anything loaded. And we will go to text, georeference, and we'll use georeference and image pair. We'll select the two images. The first one is the reference imagery, and the second one is the clean image. Okay, now that we have those, for each of those markers, select the points, write the actual coordinates for the easting and the northing for each of them. So this is done for the first one. We'll do the second one as well. Insert it. It. The image has been georeferenced. I'll just extend that. You can see now we've got a world file coordinate in JGW, and that is the file that will georeference the raster image. We can just drag and drop it on top of it, and the image is georeferenced. Now, option 2 works for any grid. It doesn't need to be a UTM coordinates grid. I'll just start by deleting those world file that we've just created. And so this time we'll use a different command. The command is called image registration with surface. And this time we'll just select the reference image that we've created. We'll select our surface. And this time we just need to select the points automatically. So the points are selected, and then you click on the point on the grid, click on the point on the surface, and click on the point for your grid. Once you're done, just press space. And that's it, your image is georeferenced. It's been georeferenced using the reference image, so this time we just need to copy the world file and rename it for the clean imagery. That's it, you've got it, drag and drop it, and now your image is georeferenced. That's it for georeferencing images with Muk3D.